Welcome back to my next video class. In this class, I am going to discuss about another part of language grammar component. Dear students, this question is asked for 4 marks. Here you will have a passage in the examination like this. Read the following passage and make notes. It is also called as note making. Make notes by drawing and filling in the boxes given below. Here you have a diagram picture. You have to fill the correct answers within the boxes through getting the answer from the given passage. Here you have a passage. First you have to read the given passage carefully. Here I am going to read the passage. The most complex of all tissues is bone. The most complex of all tissues is bone. It serves as a framework giving form to the body, protecting the vital organs and bearing weight and strain. It is also a storehouse for calcium which is supplied to the blood. Here you have a passage. You have to read the given passage carefully, and you have to mark out, you have to pick out, you have to find out the answers to fill in the given diagram. Here you have a diagram. The first box, complex tissue. Where is the answer? You have to find out the answer for the box 1, complex tissue. Here the answer for the first box is the most complex of all tissues. Complex already complex anta ide. Complex of all tissues is bone. This is the answer. You have to fill here, bone. Complex tissue is bone. You have the answer in the first line. The most complex of all tissues is bone. Complex tissue is bone. Next, second box. Serves as. It serves as. You have the answer here. It serves as a framework. It serves as a framework. Already serves as the word is there. You have to fill a framework. Framework. It serves as framework. Complex tissue is bone. It serves as framework. Next, box third, gives form to. Giving form to the body. Here you have the answer. Giving form to the body. You have to fill the word the body. Gives form to the body. The body, like this. Gives form to the body. Next, fourth box. Protects. Next you have to read the next line. Protecting the vital organs. Protecting the vital organs. You have to fill here. Vital. Protects vital organs. Next, bearing weight and strain. You have to fill weight and strain to the next boxes. Bearing weight and strain. It bears weight and strain. You have to fill weight here. Next, you have to fill strain here. Strain. Next, it is storehouse for dash. Seventh box. Next, you have to read the given passage. It is also a storehouse for calcium. Storehouse for calcium. You have to fill calcium, the word calcium here. It is also a storehouse for calcium. 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 Next, read the continued line. Which is supplied to the blood. Which is supplied to. Already supplied, the word is there. You have to fill the blood. The answer is blood. Which is supplied to the blood. You have to fill the word, the blood here. The blood here. The blood. In this way, you have to fill the given boxes. These questions are asked for 4 marks. Easily you can get 4 marks. First, you have to read the given passage carefully. You have to understand the given passage, and then you have to fill up the boxes like this. I am reading once again. Complex tissue is bone. Next, second box. Serves as framework. Next, third box. Gives form to. ಇದು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ರೂಪನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the body. Next, it protects vital organs, bears weight and strain. Next, bone is a storehouse for calcium. It's supplied to the blood like this. Next, we can discuss the next question, next passage. Next, I am going to discuss the second passage. Read the following passage and make notes by drawing and filling in the boxes given below. Already we have discussed in the first example. Now I am going to discuss the second example. Here we have a passage in the same way where we have discussed in the first passage. In the same way we have to fill the given boxes carefully. This is also known as, already I have explained, this is also known as note making in grammar section. Here we have a passage. Books are a vital record of human life and achievement. They are the thoughts, beliefs and experiences of individual and societies. There are many kinds of books. Religious books, works, fiction and non-fiction. Religious works, fiction and non-fiction. Next, the Chinese invented printing. The Chinese invented printing in the 9th century. It arrived in Europe during 15th century. Printing made it possible to mass produce books, and knowledge was spread widely. Today, publishing is a global industry. You have to read the given passage carefully. Next, you have to mark the important words in the first sentence. Books are vital record. This is a important word of human life and achievement. Vital record of human life and achievement. These are the important word. You have to mark the important word in the given passage. They store the thoughts, beliefs and experiences. Next, of individual and societies, there are many kinds of books. Religious works, fiction and non-fiction. There are many kinds of books, religious works, fiction and non-fiction. Types of books. Next, the Chinese invented printing in 9th century. Who invented the printing? Chinese invented printing when? In 9th century. ಯಾವಾಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 9ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೈನೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ನ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಅರೈವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯುರೋಪ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ 15th century. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಪ್ಪ ಯುರೋಪಿಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 15th centuryಲಿ ಇದು ಯುರೋಪ್ಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ made it possible to mass produce books and knowledge was spread widely. Today publishing is a global industry. ಈ ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಡೀ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇದೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಚೈನೀಸರು 9th ಸೆಂಚುರಿಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ machine we can't produce more books. Okay, we have to tick the given words, given important words carefully. Next you have to read the given diagram carefully. You have to fill the box with relevant answers. Books are dash. Next, of human kinds of books, first box, second box, third box. Next, fourth box, fifth box, sixth box already they have filled. Non-fiction. Printing invented by dash. You have to fill the relevant answer here. It arrived in Europe in which century? The Chinese invented printing press in 9th century. It arrived in Europe in 15th century. Already you have got the answer. Publishing today is dash, like this. You have to fill the relevant answers. You have to fill the correct answers to the given boxes carefully. Next, already you have read the given passage and also we have marked the important words in the given passage. ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಪದಗಳು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್, ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ವೈಟಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ವೈಟಲ್ record. Books are a vital record. The answer for the first box is books are a vital record. Vital record. Like this, vital record. Next, second box, vital record of human life and achievement. Human life and achievement. Human life of human life and achievement. You have to fill the relevant answer to the second box. Life and achievement. Life and achievement. Life and achievement. Here is the answer. Books are a vital record. Already we have filled the relevant answer, the right answer. A vital record. Books are a vital record of human and second box life and achievement. Third box I have filled achievement, the word achievement. Next, fourth box, fifth box and sixth box. They store the thoughts, beliefs and experiences of individual and societies. There are many kinds of books. They are religious works, fiction and non-fiction. There are many kinds of books. There are many kinds of books. There are many kinds of books. They are fourth box, religious works. Next, fiction and non-fiction. Religious works, fiction and non-fiction. Here is the answer. There are many kinds of books. There are many kinds of books. They are religious works, fiction and non-fiction. Religious works, fiction and non-fiction. Next box, printing invented by. Printing invented by. The Chinese invented printing in 9th century. Who invented printing? The answer is here. Who invented printing? The Chinese invented printing. The Chinese invented printing. Who invented printing? The Chinese invented printing. The answer is here. Here we have the answer. The Chinese invented printing. When? In the 9th century. Already they have filled the box. Already answer is there. The Chinese printing invented by the Chinese in 9th century. 9ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೈನೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 9th century, it arrived in Europe during 15th century. ಅದು ಯುರೋಪ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಅರೈವ್ಡ್ in Europe in 15th century. Here is the answer. 15th century. 15th century. Next, printing made it possible to mass produce books and knowledge was spread widely. Today, publishing is a global industry. Publishing today is a global industry. Like this. Already we have filled the books. Books are a vital record of human life and achievement. There are many kinds of books. There are many kinds of books. Religious books, fiction and non-fiction. Many kinds of books, religious works, fiction, non-fiction. Next, printing invented by the Chinese. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಚೈನೀಸ್ ಅವರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವೆನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ? ಇನ್ 9th century. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ 9ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು. ಅರೈವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯುರೋಪ್. ಅದು ಯುರೋಪ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಪ್ಪ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ 15th century. 15ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯುರೋಪ್ಗೆ ಬಂತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪಬ್ಲಿಷಿಂಗ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಇವತ್ತು ಟುಡೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು we have to fill the given boxes like this. Next we can discuss another example. The third example I am going to discuss on note making. Here we have a passage on Krishnadevaraya. Already we have heard about Krishnadevaraya. Who is Krishnadevaraya? How was his administration? Where he ruled out? Like this. ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅವನು ಯಾವ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಆಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ಅವನ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್, ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ರೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಎಂಪೈರ್, ವಾಟ್ ವರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಗಿವನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್. Krishnadevaraya ruled the Vijayanagara Empire. Krishnadevaraya ruled the Vijayanagara Empire. He gave a good governance during his regime. Gold, silver and diamond were sold on the streets. Gold, silver and diamond were sold on the streets of Vijayanagara. He respected man and woman equally. In his court there was a clown called Tenali Rama who was known for his wit. We have to mark the important words given in the passage. Krishnadevaraya ruled Vijayanagara Empire. He gave a good governance during his regime. Gold, silver and diamond were sold on the streets of Vijayanagara. ನಾವು ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚಿನ್ನ, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ, ವಜ್ರದ ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು, ವಜ್ರವನ್ನು ಬೀದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ವೆನ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ ವಾಸ್ ರೂಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಎಂಪೈರ್. ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಚಿನ್ನ, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಂಗಾರವನ್ನು, ವಜ್ರವನ್ನು ಬೀದಿ ಬೀದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಈಸ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ಹಿ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ. ಅವನು ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ ಪುರುಷರು ಮತ್ತು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರನ್ನು ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಗೌರವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೌನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ತೆನಾಲಿರಾಮ. ಅವನ ಆಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದ, ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ತೆನಾಲಿರಾಮ ಅಂತ. ಹೂ ವಾಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಟ್. ಅವನ ಪಾಂಡಿತ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ, ಅವನ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಿಕೆಗೆ ಅವನು ತುಂಬ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು fill the given passage, given boxes carefully. Krishnadevaraya ruled Vijayanagara Empire. Krishnadevaraya ruled Vijayanagara Empire. Vijayanagara Empire. It's very easy to fill the answers, but you have to read the given passage carefully, otherwise you will be confused. Krishnadevaraya ruled Vijayanagara Empire. During his regime sold. ಅವನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚಿನ್ನ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ವಜ್ರವನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ. ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ ರಿಸೈಮ್ ಹಿ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್. ಗೋಲ್ಡ್, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್. Krishnadevaraya respected. Krishnadevaraya respected men and women equally. Men and women equally. Men and women equally. Men and women equally. Krishnadevaraya respected men and women equally. In Krishnadevaraya empire, he has a clown, court clown called Tenali Rama. Court clown called Tenali Rama. The clown name is Tenali Rama. He is known for his wit. Tenali Rama is known for his wit. Krishnadevaraya ruled Vijayanagara Empire. During his regime, he sold gold, silver and diamond. Krishnadevaraya respected, left side alli, respected men and women equally. He respected men and women equally. In his court clown is Tenali Rama. He is known for his wit. In this way, like this, you have to fill the given boxes carefully. Easily you can get 4 marks in the examination. Thank you.